This is a game-changing step into the future of cooking at home. MOLEY brings you the world's first fully robotic kitchen. The MOLEY robotic kitchen allows you to save time, free up your day from routine cooking, plan and adapt your menu according to different diets and lifestyles. Enjoy international cuisine anytime. Control calories and get cooking tips and recipes from chefs around the world. Not only does the robot cook complete meals, it tells you when ingredients need replacing, suggests dishes based on the items you have in stock, learns what you like, and even cleans up surfaces after itself. The MOLEY kitchen is a fully automated kitchen unit consisting of cabinets, robotic arms and hands, a recipe recording system, a connected GUI screen with access to a library of recipes, and a full set of kitchen appliances and equipment that have been optimized for both robot and human use. To create your kitchen, you can use MOLEY'S kitchen configurator. The basic model, MOLEY'S, foresees the required sequences, navigates complex appliances operations, and helps you cook meals from around the globe. Priced at £99,099, about US $136,300, for a premium configuration, X Kitchen is set for upgrade to R Kitchen via robotic system installation without changing the main kitchen module. Complete with a robotic hands module, R Kitchen won the Best of the Best CES award. Priced at £248,000, about US $341,000, for premium configuration, it streamlines the everyday culinary experience, bridging the gap between home and professional cooking. Would you trust a robot to cook your meal?